Welcome to I Like Signing Songs. Want to help your toddler communicate before they can talk? Let's learn some family signs. ASL keyword sign, mum. Let's try mum. One more, mum. ASL keyword sign, dad. Let's try dad. One more, dad. ASL keyword sign, brother. Brother. Let's try brother. One more, brother. You're doing great. ASL keyword sign, sister. Let's try sister. One more, sister. Keyword sign, baby. Let's try baby. One more, baby. Nice signing. ASL keyword sign, grandma. Let's try grandma. One more, grandma. ASL keyword sign, grandpa. Let's try grandpa. One more, grandpa. Keep signing. ASL keyword sign, aunt. Let's try aunt. One more, aunt. ASL keyword sign, uncle. Let's try uncle. One more, uncle. ASL keyword sign, family. Let's try family. One more, family. Fantastic work. Let's go through them again together. Mum. One more, mum. Dad. One more, dad. Brother. One more, brother. Sister. One more, sister. Let's try baby. One more, baby. Grandma. One more, grandma. Grandpa. One more, grandpa. Aunt. One more, aunt. Uncle. One more, uncle. Family. One more, family. Shall we try that again? Now, a little bit faster. Ready, steady. Mum. Dad. Brother. Sister. Baby. Grandma. Grandpa. Aunt. Uncle. Family. Well done, everyone. You did so well today. Come back for more singing and signing with I Like Signing Songs. And don't forget to like and subscribe, please.
With I Like Signing Songs.